Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our rear brake pads on the Chevy Equinox right here. So first thing first, we need to find a safe spot to jack up the car from, which is right here on this metal seam that run underneath. So the wheel is off the ground. Want to go ahead and get your jack stand. Alright, so we have our jack stand, it's underneath the car. Now we want to get our lug tool or a 19mm, which I have. Also, this one have electronic parking brake, so we don't need a computer for that. So let's get started on that one. So guys, it's electronic parking brake, so y'all gotta get into this system right here. I'm trying to find a nice spot for you guys. Trying to get in this system right here, and we're gonna press retract. So guys, this is electronic parking brake right here. So we're gonna have to use a computer to retract the piston in. Got that right there. Make sure the ignition is on. Let me show you. I already have my ignition on. Yeah, so turn on your ignition. You just want to press and hold the button. Let me show you how you do it. So you just want to press and hold the button right here. And once you press and hold the button, the cluster gonna come on, and imagine the cluster gonna light up. But imagine this car is 2020 and the parking brake only been used 27 times from 2020 to 2024. 27 times you use the parking brake. Either way, let's retract. You can hear it started. So now that's in. Now it's time to take off those caliper bolt. You can use a wrench. Yeah, I'm gonna use a wrench. So it's 13mm, guys, to take these off. But that's spinning, so we're gonna have to find something to hold it. So that's good. So 17mm, hold one side, and then 13 hold the other side. Just gonna take both of them screws out. There you go. Same thing for this. That's it. Probably can push this in. So guys, after you wind it in, you just want to get this and push it in. So it's plastic at the back, so be mindful of that. You don't want to like OD it. So I'm barely turning it, and I can see it's going in, so that's good. I can see it's going in. There's no pressure on the plastic, so I feel it get tight right there, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna tighten it anymore. So yep, that's how you do that part. So now what we're gonna do is clean these up and also put some more grease on it, just so everything is all freshly done. All right, just gonna slide these back in. Wipe off the excess grease. So that's good. Next thing, we're gonna change our pads. Make sure you match it up. Make sure it's the same shebang. All right, look the same to me. Pads with the rear wear indicator goes to the back. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver to take this up. All right, so we just need to. All right, so that's up. And we just need to put this in. That's good. We need to put in the one at the top too. Alright, so yep. Thought I was videoing that, but I didn't catch that. But let's go. We have this. I'm gonna slide this in right here. Perfect. The pads with the wear indicator goes to the back. That's in. Everything looking good so far. Time to just go ahead and just install this. Make sure your your brake hose is not twisted up or anything, so that's good. It's not twisted or that, so we just need to tighten that back up. So once you put back everything, we can put on our tire and hit the button to extract the piston. All right, so we need to turn on our ignition, so we're going to press and hold this, the start button. All right, so we can see that now we need to go back and extend the brakes. And you can hear they going. Okay. So the brake is extract. It's all good now. And don't forget to pump your brakes up also. The brakes pedal is good. Go ahead and start the car. Good in drive. Brakes work good. Put it in reverse. Brakes work good. And that's it, guys. That's what it consists of, doing your brakes with electronic parking brake.